Hello everyone, and welcome to Café English Stories. Here, we learn English through real daily stories that happen in a cafe. Every video is simple, clear, and fun. Today's story is about a very special visitor at the cafe, a curious little white cat who comes to explore our cozy space. Let's see what happens when a small new friend joins us this morning. It is a beautiful morning. The cafe is quiet, the sun is shining through the big window, making warm squares on the wooden floor. The air smells like fresh coffee and warm bread. It is a very, very peaceful atmosphere. I am cleaning the counter, getting everything ready for the day. Then I hear a sound. It is not a big sound, it is a very small sound. I stop wiping. I listen. It sounds like very small, quiet footsteps. I look towards the door. The door is slightly open, and there, sitting on the welcome mat, is a small cat. It is a tiny cat with soft white fur and big green eyes. It looks very curious. It looks at me, and then it looks inside the cafe. It is not scared, just curious. The cat stands up and walks inside. It moves so quietly. First, it sniffs the air. It smells the coffee. Then it walks slowly to the nearest table. It rubs its small body against the wooden chair leg. Then it looks up at the chair. It is a high chair. The cat jumps. It is a very graceful jump. It lands softly on the seat and looks around, like a little king in its castle. From its chair, it watches me. I smile and continue my work. I decide to make an espresso. I press the button on the coffee machine. Suddenly, there is a loud from the machine. The sound is a surprise. The little cat jumps. Its fur stands up a little. Its big green eyes get even bigger. It looks at the coffee machine with its head tilted. It looks so funny. It is not scared, just surprised. It watches the steam come out of the machine. After a minute, it relaxes again. Its soft fur goes back to normal. The cat finishes exploring. It jumps down from the chair and walks around a little more. Then it finds the perfect spot. There is a small, soft rug in the warm sunlight. The cat walks to the middle of the sun, turns around in a small circle 2 times, and then lies down. It tucks its small paws under its body. It closes its green eyes. It looks so happy and so comfortable. Now the cafe is quiet again. The only sounds are the soft music and the gentle hum of the refrigerator, and the little cat sleeping in the sun. I look at it and I feel so calm. This is a perfect morning. A quiet cafe, the smell of coffee, and a new small friend. I hope you can feel this peace too. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the moment with us. We've seen our little friend resting peacefully. Now it's time to test your listening skills with a short activity. Listen carefully and choose the word that matches the story. Listen carefully. The cat is very curious. How does the cat feel? Curious, scared. The correct answer is curious. Great! Let's see the next one. Listen carefully. The cat jumps on the high chair. What does the cat do on the high chair? Jumps, sleeps. The correct answer is jumps. Well done. Here's the next question. Listen carefully. The cat lies down in the warm sunlight. Where does the cat lie down? On the rug, in the sun. The correct answer is in the sun. Perfect. Let's move to the final question. Listen carefully. The cat looks so happy and comfortable. How does the cat feel now? Happy? Angry? The correct answer is happy. Great work! You finished the activity. We have reached the end of today's lesson. Take a moment to enjoy the calm and cozy atmosphere of the cafe. Notice the warmth, the soft sounds, and the little stories happening all around you. Every small moment is a chance to practice English and feel calm. If you learned a new word or phrase today, write it in the comments below. We'd love to see your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss our next cozy stories. Thank you for learning with us, and see you in the next story at Café English Stories.